The first step is to connect to power. This part is the main control switch. This part is current transformer. This is a three-phase multifunction meter. This is a fuse. There is an emergency stop, a key switch, a start indicator, and a fault alarm. This is the power output indication, the power output area. Power output of socket and the upper part is a control switch. Turn on the main control switch and the three-phase multifunction instruments the power on. Voltage measurement shows that the power supply value is normal. Perform electrical device installation and wiring. Conduct a power on experiment. Connect the corresponding power input wire and the power output safety terminal. Close the main control switch and turn on the power. Turn on the corresponding switch according to the control requirements. Take the emergency stop, you can see the fault indications. When experiment over, disconnect.